Oh, Minnie was there. I was waiting for you. Oh my God, $90. Is that 90 or more? Oh, that's good. Oh, minor. We did get the minor. Okay. Everyone, we are back after our epic Mo Mummy sessions. Those were something amazing on Easter Sunday. Ridiculous. First spin bonuses, first spin cash collects. We're trying to replicate that to some degree tonight. Red Rock, Las Vegas. Let's start at 5 cent. All right, 5 cent. $5. Oh, first spin. No. Okay. Oh my goodness, do it right now. Do it like last time. Oh, last one. Oh my gosh. Okay, that would have been awesome, a $5 bonus to start. Oh, where were you last spin, buddy? Oh? Okay, where were you last spin, huh? Oh, he was up there too, I saw him. Okay. Oh, he was up there again. Okay, so let's do the same thing we did last time. A few $5 spins, and then a bunch of 375s. Oh, come on now, that's a big one. I saw him, he's right up there too, so. Come on, these are the progressives, the highest major, highest maxi. Oh, we'd love our mini jackpot. Oh, that would have been good if there was a wild on the second one. Come on. I didn't say one thing. There was no greens that went around on the other one too, so. Hello? Not yet. This is a little bit different than our last session. I mean, last session we had to fight for the first time, but then the second bonus came, one spin in, 5 of a kind kitty dogs. All right, Sphinx. All right, there's some good numbers showing up, like last time, remember? A bunch of $50 ones, $18 ones. Okay. 2. Oh, you want to do it now? Come on. Obviously, wifey is next to me. Where all the greens are showing up now, huh? The free games looks like it's ready to go, but we know like Baozu, Zaofu, it doesn't mean anything. You can pop on any second. Come on. Okay, that didn't count. Lowered a little bit. Is it gonna do it now? Huh? Just silly free games. Pharaoh hats, 390. No, this one wasn't. It wasn't big last time. It was the free games that was big. Okay. Oh. The baby bet pop. These lines are so weird. Like that doesn't count as a full line. Oh, that'll be good. Come on. Huh? Oh wow, that's really good. I can't believe that. Does that one count too? Yeah, it does. So it's 5 of a kind. That's good. All right. That does scroll up. $18 line hit, not bad. Is this denomination gonna give us some magic? Oh wow, 3 in a row. If it was like Dragon Link or you know like Huff and Puff over there, good old Huff and Puff, it would have gave us the magic, but not yet. That was funny. Bam, bam, bam in a row. It is growing, huh? Come on, little friend. We're trying to put on another show. Show them what you're capable of, like in that last video. Oh goodness. All right. It's a good line. 2 more. 3. Oh, it's getting big. Let's pop it naturally. Come on. do this. 2 cents. 3. Oh, no. Not yet. Wild. We want the mini jackpot. Where are you? They're all looking pretty big now, huh, wifey? Come on. That he is shy today. He was right up here. I saw him up there. Oh, that was our mini. He was right up here. You'll see him go down. There he is. So, let's do a couple fast spins. That was nothing. I was trying to do a couple fast spins to make it happen, but change the RNG. He's up there. He's very shy, like you're saying. He's up there again, but no green would have came anyway, so. Nothing is showing up here. Back to 5 cent, maybe? Jackpot mini is 50 bucks there. 2 more? 4 for more? Oh my god, they were both peeled down and popped right back up. Not all Mo Mummy sessions are created equal, people. I mean, this is probably more on par with what happens, but that was... This machine, I don't know if we ever sat on this. So we sat on those 2 on the other side. You sat on this side? Oh, okay. YB says it's this specific machine, which may be true. Pop it? No. Okay. All right, what is it now? Green, guys. He doesn't like you talking smack. So what is it? Green? Okay, it is a green one. Oh, 2. Nice. We started off with 2. Fist bump. Fist bump with the white field. I showed you showed my toes. That's for the toe fans out there. Okay. Cash collect 2. Let's win $1 million, people. Let's get that grand. I've never seen a grand on YouTube for Mo Mummy. So let's make it happen. Starting off with 2 is really nice. Let's hope it's not like 2 and then there's like 1 every 3 spins. Let's make it masterful. Oh. Last time I was dropping $50 balls in there, so. Green, green, green. We hate you. We love you, Mummy, I'm kidding. Green, hello? Oh, another one? Okay. All right, so 2 for 2 spins. Sounds fair, right? 2 for 2 spins, Mummy. Oh, 2 for 1 spin. All right. Now it's getting serious, people. 3 more spins on top of that 1. Very, very, very important. We have 1,000 nickels. All right, all right. All right, all right. Don't stop the fun. Oh, 1 more? Okay. We'd like to see the most progressives fall inside there, you know? Progressives, progressives, greens, greens, greens. Hello? Whoa, whoa, whoa. None of that, please. Hello? All right, we can get 3 on 1 spin, or just drop the maxi in there. We're not too greedy. Huh? Okay, so not bad. Not great. We didn't get that far. See, not every single Mo Mummy session is as absolutely ridiculous as that one. But we're trying to show people that there's very many sides of Mo Mummy. 75 bucks, not bad. Back to back like last time, or what? Oh? 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 3. This is in Dragon Link, I guess. Or, oh, come on, these wilds are popping off now. It can't get much bigger. The wilds, it just creates the line connection more, or it pops that thing. So now this counts as that person on the top. If it was, yeah. Come on, come on. I mean, there's a lot of action going on here, but Oh, I saw the green on top. He wanted to come out. Huh? Oh, he was up there again. But the green didn't come down, so. Wild, wild, wild. Nope. Ooh, that would have been a good. If that was a wild, it would have been a better connection. Oh, wild, wild west. Come on. The wild wants to give us that mini. Come on, it's. I almost want to change bets. I do a couple of 5. Why does it change everything when I do 5, huh? Change everything when I go to 5. Sorry, let me adjust my life. He keeps peeking down. Free games looks about ready. Okay, let's go back to 1 senses. Yeah. What are you looking at? Good kitty, good kitty. This was our lucky bet last time. Is it our lucky bet now? That is the absolute question we're dying to find out. Hello? I like when he just comes out of nowhere. My favorite. Wild, wild. No drama. No drama. Why does he say, He says, and just walks away. It was up there again. Yeah, where were you last time, buddy? Huh? 8888. That's a lucky sign right there. Huh, so what should we go to? We're not getting that much action here. Free games can pop, people. It can pop. Ooh, I thought it was gonna be a real 4. To say I'm sad is an understatement. We want to see. I thought us and Momomi were great friends now. At least the blue one for the mini now. Come on. I think something big is gonna happen. Will happen in $65. Wifey gave me a good luck $5 bill. Let's see if this changes everything. She's got 5 on it. See, there we go, $70 now. Oh, it gave us a winning line hit, or a kickback at least. Okay, it is good luck so far. Boom, boom. That's hers. Yeah. It's the wrong machine. Someone else is on this one. 2 more. Double. Oh, it's the mini. It's the mini thing. That's all it is. All it is the mini giver. You have 3 chances. It can't be this unlucky, can it? Oh, it can. It can't be. Okay, it can. Okay, well, green one or free games. What is it gonna be? Probably the green one, yeah. Another green one, please. Okay. Start off with the $4.50 one. Let's see if we can win. Let's see if we can win one of those at the top, maxi. Why not? One of those, yeah, minor, that's fine. Minor is totally fine. Oh, mini was there. I was waiting for you. Oh my God, $90. Then 90 or more. Oh, that's good. Oh, minor. We did get the minor. Okay. Your favorite? No, the mini is your favorite. Yeah, it's the mini's older brother. Another one. Oh. Why? Oh, what the heck? I accidentally did it so fast. I didn't know you can fast spin. I didn't even try to fast spin it. Oh, mini. Oh. Oh. Well, we did get the mini at least. We missed out on the $90 one and the $33 one, so. But we did get 2 progressives. I asked for them. I asked for the wrong. Let's say top shelf progressives next time, right? 91. Okay. All right. So we're gonna go find another machine, and we'll be right back, people.